Good morning students, how are you all? So today we will be learning in this video chapter 3 fiber to fabric of class 6 science. I repeat, chapter 3 fiber to fabric of class 6 subject science. The name of the textbook is My Eureka Plus. Alright, so what do you understand by the word fabric? Fabric means the material with which we are using to make clothes are known as fabric. Now, for example, in our country, women wear different type of attires. They wear skirts, they wear pants, they wear saris, they wear salwar kameez, they wear ghagra cholis, different type of attires, right? And these attires are made from different types of fabric. So what happens is that are the type of clothes that we wear in summer are same as that we wear in winter? No, they are definitely not, right? In summers we wear cotton clothes, whereas in winter we happen to wear woolen clothes. So why is it that we wear different type of clothes in different seasons? We wear different type of clothes in different seasons because every fabric have a different impact on the type of environment. For example, like cotton clothes are necessary in the summer. Why? Because when we sweat, the cotton clothes help absorbing the sweat and keeps us dry. But if we wear woolen clothes in summer, what will happen to us? Just imagine, we can't even imagine, right? Woolen clothes are uh, especially made to be worn only in the winters because woolen clothes have the capability of trapping the heat. The body heat is being trapped by the woolen clothes, as a result of which our body remains warm in winter. Alright, so that is why different type of fabrics are being used according to the type of season. Okay, now we will come to know about natural and synthetic fibers. What are natural fibers? Fibers that are extracted naturally from plants are known as natural fibers. For example, cotton. Cotton can be found from the cotton plant, so it is a natural fiber. Jute can be morapat mane, cotton mane kopa, jute mane morapat. So we get that from natural plants, right? So those are known as natural fibers. And what are synthetic fibers? Fibers such as nylon, rayon, which are made artificially in the factories or industries, are known as synthetic fibers. Okay, so you have to just remember while identifying fiber that different fibers have different characteristics and have different utilities. So accordingly only they are being used to make different types of cloth items. Alright, so identifying fabric. How can we identify fabric? Ami কপাহী কাপোৰ এটুকুৰা আৰু নাইলনৰ কাপোৰ এটুকুৰাৰ মাজত ডিফাৰেন্সটো কেনেকৈ গম পাম? How will we differentiate? If we take two pieces of cloth, one piece is cotton cloth and one piece is nylon, rayon or any synthetic cloth, and if we burn it, জ্বলাই দিওঁ যদি, what happens? It burns and it gives powder like ash. Okay, and the flame, it is a very sooty type of flame, মানে তোমাৰ ধুনীয়াকৈ জ্বলিব বস্তুটো, ঠিক আছে? আৰু পাউডাৰ মানে যিটো ছাই থাকি যাব সেইটো গুড়া ছাই থাকি যাব। কিন্তু যেতিয়া তুমি নাইলন, পলিষ্টাৰ বা যিকোনো চিন্থেটিক আৰ্টিফিচিয়েল ফাইবাৰ জ্বলাবা, ইফ ইউ বাৰ্ন ডেট, what happen? You will get a specific odor, অলপ প্লাষ্টিক পুৰাৰ নিচিনা এটা গোন্ধ ওলাব, and the remaining residue, that means the byproduct after being burned, it will be hard substance, it will not be soft or ash type substance, right? And this is how we will differentiate or identify the difference in a fabric. So different type of plant fibers you need to know are cotton, jute and coir. Okay, those are the three basic fibers that are given in our book, which we have to learn. And one more is there, I'm sorry, I forgot it, that is flax. Right, so cotton place where it grows best in the warm place with moderate rainfall. অলপ গৰম জেগা হ'ব লাগিব আৰু বৰষুণ বহুত বেছিও হ'ব নালাগে, বহুত কমো হ'ব নালাগে, আৰু ব্ল্যাক সয়েল আটাইতকৈ কটনৰ কাল্টিভেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে ভাল, সেইটো সদায় মনত ৰাখিব লাগে। ড্ৰাই কটন fibers, cotton grow around the seeds of a ball. If you see that how cotton grows, there are cotton have small seeds and it grows like a ball. It likes a furry snowball, right? And when they are being dried, then they are being harvested. Okay, the fiber is separated from the seed and spun to a cotton thread or yarn. Mane gutir pora cotton khini separate kori dia hoy, kopah khini tar pisot hetu তোমার ইয়ার্নলে বস্তুটো মানে বল টাইপৰ বস্তুটোলে মানে সূতালে কনভাৰ্ট কৰি দিয়া যায়, যাতে হেতুৰে আমি কাপোৰ বা অন্যান্য বস্তু বনাব পাৰো। And what are the basic things? Denim is used to make jeans, or all of you know that. Then towels or gamusas or anything that are used to be that we use to wipe, right? So those absorb water, so those things are made of what? They are made of cotton. Okay, next we will come to jute. Jute means morapat. So jute grows best in warm humid climates of India, Bangladesh and China during rainy season. Jutor cultivationor karone ki hobo lage? Barikha hobo lage, thik ase? The plants are harvested after they flower, but before the flowers form the seeds. গুটি হোৱাৰ আগতে মানে ফুলবোৰত গুটি ধৰাৰ আগতে জুট গছজোপা হাৰ্ভেষ্ট কাটি দিব লাগে, মানে বেছি পকিবলৈ সিহঁতক দিব নালাগে। The stem stalks are tied into bundles and soaked in water for 20 days. তাৰপিছত যিবোৰ ষ্টেম আছে, ষ্টেমবোৰ বহুত কেইজোপা একেলগে বান্ধি দিয়ে, মুঠা মাৰি দিয়ে আৰু পানীত 20 দিনৰ কাৰণে ভিজাই থৈ দিয়ে। কি কৰে তেতিয়া? বিকজ ইট সফেন্স দ্য টিস্যুজ, কোমলিয়াই পেলাই, আৰু তাৰপিছত ফাইবাৰবোৰ এডাল এডালকৈ ছেপাৰেট কৰি দিব পাৰি। অ'কে, এণ্ড দিছ প্ৰচেছ, এতিয়া যে এই যে পানীত তিয়াই পেলাই চফ্ট কৰে টিস্যুজ, তাৰপিছত এডাল এডালকৈ যে উঠাই দিব পাৰি ফাইবাৰবোৰ, সেই প্ৰচেছটোক কি বুলি কয়? দেট ইজ ন'ন এজ ৰেটিং। অলৰাইট, দ্য ফাইবাৰ্ছ are then washed in running water and hung up for drying. Okay, so jute is very strong and durable. আমি জানো মৰাপাট মানে ষ্ট্ৰং হয়, ডিউৰেবল, সহজে ছিগি নাযায়। তো মৰাপাটেৰে আমি জানো কি কি বনায়? বস্তা বনায়, কাপোৰ বনায়, তাৰপিছত ঝাৰু বনায়, হয়নে নহয়? তাৰপিছত কাৰ্পেট বনায়, বেগ বনায়, ৰোপছ বনায়। চ' দিছ ইউটিলিটিজ এণ্ড ইউজেছ ইউ হেভ টু ৰিড ফ্ৰম ইয়াৰ বুক। অ'কে, now one more thing you need to know is soil savers. What are soil savers? কোৰ্ছ জুট মেট, জুটৰ মেট বুলি কয় যিটো, মানে ধৰি লোৱা বস্তা টাইপৰ বস্তুৱে বনোৱা হয়, বেছি তাত যিবোৰ হোলছ আছে দোজ আৰ মাছ মোৰ পাৰফৰেটেড ইন নেচাৰ্ছ। তেতিয়াহ'লে সেই তেনেকুৱাবোৰ ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ বেৰেন লেণ্ড, এতিয়া হোৱাট আৰ বেৰেন লেণ্ড? দ্য লেণ্ড ৱেৰ দেৰ হেজ বিন ন' কাল্টিভেশ্যন ফৰ কুৱাইট এ লং টাইম, দোজ আৰ ন'ন এজ বেৰেন লেণ্ড। ঘপককৈ যিবোৰ জেগাত ভালকৈ খেতি চেতি নহয় সেইবোৰক বেৰেন লেণ্ড বুলি কয়। তেতিয়া বেৰেন লেণ্ডবোৰক যাতে তাত ধৰা কোনো ধৰণৰ গছ গছনি নাই, তেতিয়া কি হয়? বতাহ বৰষুণ আহিলে যিটো টপ চইল আছে সেইটো পটককৈ উঠি যোৱাৰ এটা সম্ভাৱনা থাকে। সেইকাৰণে তেনেকুৱা জেগাবোৰত তোমাৰ কি কৰে? জুট মেটবোৰে সেই মাটিবোৰ ডাঙৰ এৰিয়াৰ মাটিবোৰ সেইবোৰক ঢাকি ঢাকি থৈ দিয়া হয়। অ'কে, তেতিয়াহ'লে সেই মানে মেটছবোৰক কি বুলি কয়? ছইল চেভাৰ্ছ বুলি কয়। তাৰপিছত কি হয়? মানে সেই মাটিটো কিয় ঢাকি থয়? যাতে টপ চইলটোৱে এনাফ টাইম পায় নিজৰ ফাৰ্টিলিটিটো ৰিটেইন কৰিবলৈ, আৰু তাত যাতে মানুহে আকৌ খেতি কৰিব পাৰে। অ'কে, চ' দেট ইজ ন'ন এজ soil savers. Alright, so you need to remember that. I think all of you have understood. I have explained it in an easy language, so please go through the book of soil savers. Don't worry about question answers, I'll provide it. Next is coir. What is coir? I think all of you have seen coconut, the outer covering of the coconut, that is used to make coir. Right, so it is very coarse and strong. I think you have seen like in our homes in the evening time, when evening time to every day only, I think we all do, and especially when we have pujas at our homes, then আমি ধূনা দিওঁ, right? We used to give dhuna. So how we used a coconut coir, no? We cut it into small pieces, and then we burn it, and then we put the dhuna guri, the powder, and then there is a nice fragrance, right? We feel like a spiritual type of fragrance there, like which give us a feeling of prayer and something holy thing. Now we get it. So the thing is that is coconut coir, huh? So what is it used for? It is used for making fishing nets. It is a mass morar jalbur. So those are made using coconut coir. Why it is used? Because especially in the seas, I think all of you know that sea water is saline or salty in nature. So coconut is salt resistant. Alright, so it doesn't get dissolved in salt, as a result of which they are being used. Coconut coir is used to make fishing nets, which the fishermen can use to fish in the sea, right? And brown coir, white coir is used to, coirs are of two types, one is white and one is brown. So white coir is used to make nets and ropes and all those type of things, and brown coir is used to make brushes, ropes, pots for the plants to grow, and many other things. Also it is used in some automobile interior parts. All right, so you have to remember this, huh? Next we will come to learn about flax. What is flax? Flax is extracted, the fiber flax is extracted from the stem of the flax plant. All right, the fiber flax is very soft and flexible and strong, and it is used in printing currency. পইচাৰ যে যিটো নোটটো সেইটো প্ৰিণ্ট কৰোঁতে কিহেৰে বনায়? ফ্লেক্স ইউজ কৰে, আৰু হাই কোৱালিটি পেপাৰ বনাওঁতে ফ্লেক্স ইউজ কৰা হয়. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I have explained in this part. In the next part I will be explaining you the next part of the chapter. So students, please go through your book, study regularly, and if you have any difficulty you can reach out to me. Right, take care.